The Rova 4D is an improvement in every way. It has a 12 by 12 by 12 inch build volume, aerospace grade aluminum frame, THK profiled bearings, Z ball screw, dedicated dissolvable support and flexible filament extruders, automatic bed leveling, a print layer cooling fan, liquid cooled hot ends, and a wireless interface. As a 3D printer, it is the best value in the industry. But it's more than that, it's a full color 3D printer. It works by using cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and white filaments and feeding them into one hot end where they are blended or mixed together at various ratios to get unique new colors. CMYK like your office inkjet printer. Then print the model. We're still prototyping the Rova 4D and making leaps and bounds every day. Please help us fund the successful completion of our project by picking your pledge level from the right side of the page and sharing our project on Facebook and Twitter.